Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss the new topic profit and loss. Page number 111. On the previous class we discussed the conversion of paise into rupees and conversion of rupees into paise. So today we are going to discuss the new topic. It's very important topic, profit and loss. So what is a profit? What is a profit or what is a loss? Okay, I told I bought the pen from the shop for rupees of this pen is 10 rupees. Okay, and I sold this pen for rupees 12. Is it? I bought the pen for rupees 10. I sold for rupees 12. So I got the 2 rupees profit. All of you got it? The shopkeeper buy and sell things to earn the livelihood. The money a shopkeeper spends to buy a profit from a wholesaler is called the cost price or CP of the product. When he sells this product to a customer at a certain price is called the selling price or SP. ഞാൻ ഈ പേന ഒരു ഷോപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് മേടിച്ചു. ആ ഷോപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് വാങ്ങുമ്പോൾ ആ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ആ ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ആ കടയിലെ ആള് തരുമ്പോൾ ആ തരുന്ന എമൗണ്ട് ആണ് CP. നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങുന്ന എമൗണ്ട് അതാണ് കോസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് ഓർ CP. ഷോപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ പേന വാങ്ങുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയ എമൗണ്ട് അതാണ് അതിന്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ്. So what is the amount of this pen? 10 rupees. I already told I bought this pen for rupees 10. That means the CP is in 10 rupees. Is it? So what is the selling price? What is selling price? When he sells this product to a customer at a certain price. ഞാൻ ഈ പേന വേറൊരാൾക്ക് കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്, വേറൊരാൾക്ക് വിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ വിൽക്കുന്ന എമൗണ്ട് അതാണ് സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ് ഓർ CP. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ എത്ര രൂപയ്ക്ക് പേന വിറ്റെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ? 12 രൂപയ്ക്ക് പറഞ്ഞല്ലേ. 10 രൂപയ്ക്ക് മേടിച്ചു, 12 രൂപയ്ക്ക് കൊടുത്തെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും ഇതിന്റെ SP? 12 റുപ്പീസ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ എത്രയാണിത്? വാങ്ങിയ റുപ്പി CP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10ഉം കൊടുത്ത വില അതായത് SP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 12 രൂപയുമാണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ എത്ര രൂപ കൂടുതലാണ് ഞാൻ കൊടുത്തത്? 2 രൂപ കൂടുതൽ കൊടുത്തു. കിട്ടിയത് എനിക്ക് ലാഭം കിട്ടി. 2 രൂപ കൂടുതൽ രൂപയ്ക്കാണ് ഞാൻ ഇത് വിറ്റത്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് 2 രൂപയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ അതാണ് എന്ത്? CPയും SPയും. നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങിയ എമൗണ്ട് CPയും നമ്മൾ വിറ്റ എമൗണ്ട് SP. All of you clear it? Then I bought this pen for rupees 10 and I sold for rupees 9. Is it? I bought this pen for rupees 10. I sold for rupees 9. So it is a profit or loss? Yes, it is a loss because the SP is in 9 and CP is in 10. So it is a loss. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വാങ്ങിയ വില 10 രൂപയാണ്, വിറ്റ വില എന്താണ്? 9 ആണ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് എന്താണ്? എമൗണ്ട് വാങ്ങിയ വിലയേക്കാളും കുറവാണ് എന്ത്? വിറ്റ വില. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതെന്തായിരിക്കും? പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കുമോ ലോസ് ആയിരിക്കുമോ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ലോസ്. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? വാങ്ങിയ വിലയേക്കാളും കുറച്ച് എമൗണ്ടിനാണ് വിൽക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ലോസ് ആയിരിക്കും. Then next, I bought a pen for rupees 10 and I sold for rupees 10. 10 രൂപയ്ക്ക് മേടിച്ചു. ആ 10 രൂപയ്ക്ക് തന്നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഈ പെൻ ഞാൻ വേറൊരാൾക്ക് വിറ്റു. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കുമോ ലോസ് ആയിരിക്കുമോ? ഇത് പ്രോഫിറ്റുമില്ല ലോസുമില്ല. നമുക്ക് പൈസ നഷ്ടവുമില്ല ലാഭവുമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദ ലോസ് ആൻഡ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. സോ ഹൗ വിൽ യു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദി പ്രോഫിറ്റ്? ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു 10 രൂപയ്ക്ക് ഒരു പേന മേടിച്ചു, 12 രൂപയ്ക്ക് ഒരു പേന കൊടുത്തു. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണെന്നാ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞേ? പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞല്ലേ. അപ്പൊ എങ്ങനെയാണ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്? എത്ര ലാഭമുണ്ട് എനിക്ക്? 12 മൈനസ് 12 minus 10 ആണ് എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയ പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് 12 എന്താണ് അവിടുത്തെ SP ആണ്, 10 എന്താണ് CP ആണ്. So how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to, so how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So how will you find out the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. How will you find out the loss? CP minus SP. So what is the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and how to find the loss is equal to CP minus SP. So this is very important equation, so all of you study this equation. Okay, that means when the selling price is more than the cost price, the shopkeeper earns a profit or a gain. So to find the profit is equal to SP minus CP. When the selling price is less than the cost price, the shopkeeper incurs a loss. So how will you find out the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, so using this equation, some problems is there. Exercises 3.3. So all of you look at the exercise 3.3, page number 112. So all of you look at the question. On the first question, find profit or loss in the following. To find the profit and loss. Okay. Then first question. CP is equal to rupees 1575 and SP is equal to rupees 1920. So look at this question. On the CP is 1575 and SP is equal to 1920. That means here which is the bigger number, CP or SP? Very good. SP is the, that is selling price is the bigger number as compared as the cost price. That means CP is less than SP. Is it? CP is less than SP. So the SP is the bigger number as compared as the cost price. Is it? That means CP is less than SP. That means it is a profit or loss. It's a bigger value, is it? SP. SP is the bigger value. That means endana vaangiya velekkalum kooduthalana vittu vela. Okay, that means SP is the bigger value. That means it is a profit, because it is a profit. Okay, so how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP, or selling price minus cost price. It is a profit. SP minus CP. So what is the value of SP? SP is 1920 minus CP 1575. So subtract 1920 minus 1575. 0 minus 5 is not possible, taken as a borrow. At that time 2 comes 1 and 0 comes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 7, it's not possible, taken as a borrow. At that time 9 comes 8 and 1 comes 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the profit? Profit is equal to rupees 345. So this is the profit. Okay. So what is the profit? 345 is the profit. So if we look at the next question. Question number 2. CP is equal to rupees 10,570 and SP is equal to rupees 9,462. So look at this question. CP is the bigger number as compared as the SP. CP is the bigger number. That means CP is greater than SP. Is it? അവിടെ എന്താണ്? വാങ്ങിയ വിലയാണ് കൂടുതൽ, വിറ്റ് വില എന്താണ്? കുറവാണ്. അപ്പൊ എന്ത് പറയാൻ പറ്റും? ലാഭമാണോ നഷ്ടമാണോ? നഷ്ടമാണല്ലേ. So that is, it is loss. That means loss is equal to, so how will you find out the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is cost price minus selling price. So how will you find out the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So what is the CP? CP is equal to 10,570 minus 9,462. So this is the CP and SP. That means subtract this value, we get the loss. So if you subtract 10,570 and 9,462. 0 minus 2 is not possible, taken as a borrow. At that time 7 comes 6 and 0 comes 10. So it is 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. The next 6 minus 6. Okay, 0. 5 minus 4. Okay, 1. Then next 0 minus 9. It's not possible, taken as a borrow. At that time 1 comes 0 and 0 comes 10. Is it? That is 10 minus 9. 1. So write down 0. So how many loss? Loss is 1,108 is the loss. So how many rupees loss? Rupees 1,108. So this is the loss. Okay. So what is the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And what is loss? CP minus SP. That is cost price minus selling price. Okay. And solve the word problem is there. Question number B. All of you look at the first question. So look at the first question. A dealer bought an LCD TV for rupees 28,470 and sold it for rupees 30,150. Find his gain or loss. That is a question. So a dealer bought means വാങ്ങിയത് an LCD TV for rupees 28,470. That means that is the cost price. Is it? That is the cost price. Okay. A bought an LCD TV. That means it is a cost price. So what is the cost price? The cost price is that is CP, or cost price is equal to rupees 28,470. So this is the cost price of CP. The next, and sold it for, sold means vikkuka. Sold it, that means it is a selling price. That is the selling price or SP. SP is equal to rupees 30,150 is the selling price. So in our question, it is a profit or a loss. So look at this question. Selling price is 30,150 and cost price is 28,470. So which is the bigger number, CP or SP? Which is a bigger number? Yeah, SP. SP is the bigger number. That means selling price is the bigger number. That means he will tell us CP is less than SP. CP is less than SP. That means SP is the bigger number as compared as the cost price or CP. So it is a profit. That means it is a profit is equal to, so how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So what is an SCP? CP is 28,470. So what is SP? SP is 30,150. So apply this value on this equation. So what is the SP minus CP? That means SP is 30,150. That is 30,150 minus. After here minus is there. Then CP. What is CP? 28,470. Right? 28,470. Then subtract this number. 30,150 minus 28,470. Okay. 0 minus 0. 0. 5 minus 7. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. See, 1 comes 0 and 5 comes 15. 15 minus 7. Okay. 8. Then 0 minus 4. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. At that time we will come here. 0. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. Then 2. 0 comes 10. Then borrowed from here. That means 10. At that time 10 comes 9 and 0 comes 10. Okay. Then 10 minus 4. 6. 9 minus 8. 1. 2 minus 2. 0. So what is the profit? Rupees 1,680 is the profit. Okay. 1,680 is the profit. All of you clear this? Clear? Okay. Then look at the next question. Question number 2. Arun bought apples for rupees 546 rupees 50 paise and sold them for rupees 480 rupees 25 paise. What is his gain or loss? That is the second question. Arun bought apples. Bought വാങ്ങുക. എത്ര രൂപയ്ക്കാണ് മേടിച്ചത്? 546 rupees 50 paise. That means that amount is the cost price, CP. So what is the CP? CP is equal to rupees 546 rupees 50 paise. Okay, clear? And sold them. Sold them means വിൽക്കുക. വിൽക്കുന്ന എമൗണ്ട് എത്രയാണ് വിറ്റ രൂപയ്ക്ക് വിറ്റത്? 480 rupees 25 paise. വിറ്റ എമൗണ്ട് എന്താ റെപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നേ? SP. That means SP is equal to, what is the amount? Rupees 480 rupees 25 paise. So look at this question. Which is bigger? CP or SP is the bigger number? CP is the bigger number. Alle, CP ആണ് വലിയ amount as compared as the SP. That means it is a loss. That means it is a loss. That means CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. At that time we will tell us it is a loss. So how will you find out the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So how will you find out the loss? Cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price? 546 rupees 50 paise minus, what is selling price? 480 rupees 25 paise. Then subtract. 546 rupees 50 paise, 480 rupees 25 paise. Then subtract. 0 minus 5. It's not possible. Taken as a borrow. At that time 5 comes 4 and 0 comes 10. Is it? Then 10 minus 5. Yes, 5. Then 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 6 minus 0, 6. Then 4 minus 8. It's not possible, taken as a borrow. At that time 5 is reducer of 4 and 4 comes 14. Okay, 14 minus 8, 6. Then 4 minus 4, 0. So how many rupees? 66 rupees 25 paise. So how many rupees? 66 rupees 25 paise. And we have one homework is there. Exercise 3.3b. Question number 4 is your homework. I read that question. A calculator that costs rupees 517 rupees 75 paise and sold it for rupees 575 rupees 20 paise. Calculate the profit or loss earned. That is a homework. So all of you look at this question. A calculator that costs rupees. That means the amount of the calculator he bought. That means CP. What is CP? 517 rupees 75 paise and sold for. That means it is an SP. SP is 575 rupees 20 paise. How many? 575 rupees 20 paise. So on this question, the selling price is the bigger number. That means it is a profit. Okay. So how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that is the way to find out the question. Okay. So today we discuss the topic profit and loss. So what is the definition of CP, SP and profit and loss? So how will you find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP and what is the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is today's portion. It's very important topic. It's very important on the next class. That means in the 5th class is this portion is there. So all of you study well on this portion. Okay, all of you clear? Thank you.